8mm film has an undeniable quality to it. The texture, the colors, and the motion of it sort of combine to become a tangible visual representation of a distant memory. It's definitely a look I want to explore creatively. So to satisfy that desire, I bought this. The Canon 814 autofocus. A super 8mm film camera that was manufactured between 1966 and 1971. It's an electric camera using 4 AA batteries to power it. It can shoot single frames as well as 12, 18, and 24 frames per second. The camera has a Canon 7.5 to 60mm zoom lens, which can be adjusted through a powered zoom function. The 8mm film cartridges load easily. There's a film counter on the very back that counts out the 50-foot rolls, so you always have an idea how much film is left in the camera. Well, that's it for my first look, but before I go, I wanted to show an example where Super 8mm film can work with video.
It's been 6 years in the making. It started in Muskoka. They couldn't handle it. Now we're here in Wasaga Beach for the 2nd year in a row. I'm talking about 4 days of boarding bands and bikinis. I'm talking about the best summer party in Canada. I'm talking about Wakestock, so sit your rear down. It's all happening right now.
We're taking a stroll right now through downtown Wakestock in the middle of the massive Action Sports Center, but only feet away are where some of the world's very best wakeboarders are going to be strutting their stuff in front of thousands of people. We're talking Parks Bonifay, Sean Watson, Eric Ruck, and Canada's own Chad Sharp.
Hey, this is how every wakeboard contest should be right here.